B&D Independence is proud to announce our latest mobility product, the Unoccupied Wheelchair Restraint, or UWR for short. UWR is a new securement system for manual wheelchairs in wheelchair-accessible vehicles. Currently, manual wheelchair users who transfer into their OEM seat are left with limited options for holding their unoccupied wheelchair. UWR seeks to make the process as easy as possible. Lock in with the click of adjustable arms and release with the press of a button. UWR needs very little floor space, meaning it can be located in a variety of positions within the vehicle. Whether transferring from a docked wheelchair or conducting your transfer then docking, there's no wrong spot for your UWR. Adjustable both horizontally and vertically, the UWR can be set to a wide range of manual wheelchairs and adds little to no additional brackets to your wheelchair. The UWR incorporates an electronic release button for ease of use on a daily basis. It also includes an emergency release lever for use in the event of a power failure in your vehicle. As an added measure of security and peace of mind, the release button lights up green when your wheelchair is safely secured in the UWR. As an added feature, when not in use, the UWR can be stowed in an upright position, freeing up additional space in the cabin. B&D Independence has a storied past of rigorously testing all of our products, and UWR is no exception. Crash testing has been conducted at the leading restraint testing facility in the country, the University of Michigan. It safely restrained a 50-pound manual wheelchair during a 20G impact. For more information on the unoccupied wheelchair restraint, contact any one of our over 300 dealerships across the United States, or visit our website at www.bdindependence.com.